Hey everyone, it is Thursday, February 13th, and this is a late recording today because the market's been a little bit odd and it's been just standing still. So this will be a very short video because I'm still sitting on a couple trades. I have 3 trades on Euro USD, and they're all negative at this point. And then we have the pound Kiwi New Zealand dollar. That basically went right back up to where it was before. So I'm just gonna show quickly the status and what I think is gonna happen tomorrow. So I'm gonna try to do this all within 5 minutes. So again, the shortest video for today, and let's just get started with the intro and the disclaimer, and then I'll see you in the trading room. So we're back, and here's the status. Down $153. Yes, that's a lot. But it is the pound New Zealand dollars that's dragging me down. This one has climbed about 100 pips today, and it kicked me in the ass, not just on this account, but my large account. I took a pretty bad hit on it. So it's back up here again. Again, top of the trading channel, stop loss is right above here, so that's the liquidity pool. Didn't make much move other than that, but that's a pretty substantial move. Where do I think this baby is going to go? Well, it's the third time it's back up in here, so it's third time is the charm, but where it could go is potentially just a little bit higher up. So right around this area here. That's not the one I wanted to touch. So this is the one I wanted to do. So it could go up in here. Now, I don't know if it actually does have the strength, because this candle exhausted all the strength it had. So I do believe we'll have a breakdown again tomorrow. So I'm going to let this one sit. So that's the pound Kiwi. Daily, I believe it's, see, there's no money up in here. The money is all out, so the distribution is taking place. So if they need to fill it back up, then it has to come back down again. So at least down to this area here. And if it does do come down here tomorrow, then I most likely will just eat my losses and close it out. And that should be about 30 bucks. So that's that. Euro USD, I'm still sitting on 3 trades. This candle here is still has me still convinced that this is going to go up. This was shaped today, and then it came down to this support that was it's a very old support, and we had this candle over here that had the same shape, but obviously this was the trading range that I had drawn to yesterday, and it broke outside, so there was an opportunity to trade there and go short. I did not take that opportunity because I was away from the computer. And the report that came out from Europe today talked about steady growth in Europe and all that kind of stuff, so I expect a bounce up. It would appear that for the last couple of hours this has gone nowhere, and it's just sitting here, so, and there's really no money in it, so don't expect much more of a drop. And tomorrow I expect to see these three trades go into profit, at least 2 of them, and the third one might take a little longer, but I'm hoping that all of them are in profit tomorrow. Actually, I see I have 4, so there you go. Slide over trading happens when I get bored. Instead of eating candy, I take a trade. Probably I should pick up eating candy instead. But I should listen to my own advice, which is sit on the hands, for God's sake. Still have plenty of margin left, but you can see I'm down at 220. Does it worry me? No, not really. Do I believe this can bounce up? Absolutely. When will it come? At 4:02 in 1 minute? No, it will not. But most likely during London time tomorrow. I believe that the smart money has put themselves in a position where it's right on 0.8383, which is the line that I put out. You go out to monthly. There really isn't much more to push down to. There is this line here that we can put out right at the low of that one, and that's 0.797. Now this some people take very long trade, like a very long swing trade. So this one would be consistent with new liquidity in this area. So then we would have a move up like this area shows. And I believe the first area that we will move into for Euro, which means this area here, which is consistent with me believing that the dollar needs to drop, and it hasn't. We had all these reports today, and the dollar didn't move much. If we look at the dollar today, this is 1 hour. It moved down, and then when the report came out, not much happened. So I believe that there's a lot of positioning going on for tomorrow potentially. When we look at this, we have a bearish order block right here. So we're right up there, and so I still expect a drop down to 98.11, which would be consistent with the move that I expect for Euro USD, which is up in here. So we're talking about a move of 600 pips, which really isn't that much in the overall scheme of things, because if we look at where we're right now and we go back to just January, you're talking about 400 pips roughly. So so that's where we're at, and that's what I'm waiting for. So I'm not doing much more, just waiting for these trades to come into profit, and then take new trades. So I'll be back tomorrow, Friday the 14th, and again, I have overtraded, and again, this is something that happens for all people that have been trading. It's just the nature of it. You get bored. Some people eat candy. Some people take a trade. I'm the latter part. I take a trade because I'm bored. I don't see things moving around. So that's where we're at. I hope you had a good trading day today, and tomorrow I'll do a not a live. I was planning on doing live tomorrow, but other things have come up, so I'll be trading in the morning, and then I'll be off after 11. So I'll see you tomorrow.